Welcome back to Decor Puzzle 2.0, where we explore the latest trends in architecture and interior design. Today, we're diving into the serene world of modern lake house designs. Nestled amidst nature's beauty, these homes seamlessly blend contemporary aesthetics with the tranquility of waterfront living. Join us on this visual journey as we explore the captivating designs that define modern lakefront living. Our journey begins with an awe-inspiring aerial view of a modern lake house. Nestled on the shore of a pristine lake, this architectural masterpiece captures the essence of tranquility and sophistication. There's something truly magical about living by the water's edge, where the tranquil beauty of the lake meets the charm of your dream home. The front elevation of your lake house is not just an entrance, it's a statement of your personal style and a seamless connection to nature. The clean lines, expansive glass walls, and the strategic use of natural materials immediately draw the eye. It's a harmonious blend of modern design principles and the timeless beauty of the surrounding landscape. Stepping inside, we're greeted by an open living space that seamlessly connects with the outdoors. The floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light and offer breathtaking views of the lake and the lush surroundings. For those who prefer a cozier feel, rustic charm is a classic choice. A mix of stone, wood, and warm earthy tones make your lake house blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature. Notice how the interior design complements the exterior. Neutral color palettes, minimalist furniture, and carefully chosen decor create an inviting and cozy atmosphere while allowing the natural beauty outside to take center stage. The kitchen, a hub of modern living, boasts top-of-the-line appliances and a sleek, functional design. The use of natural stone countertops and wooden accents adds warmth to the contemporary space. Imagine preparing a meal with this stunning panoramic view as your backdrop. It's a testament to the idea that a modern lake house isn't just a place to live, it's an experience. Now, let's retreat to the master bedroom, where luxury meets nature. This room exemplifies the concept of bringing the outdoors in, allowing residents to wake up to the soothing sounds of the lake and the beauty of nature. Vaulted ceilings, large windows, and carefully chosen textiles create a serene and cozy retreat, making it the perfect place to unwind after a day spent in the great outdoors. Speaking of the great outdoors, the outdoor living space is where modern lake house designs truly shine. Expansive decks, comfortable seating, and even outdoor kitchens seamlessly blend with the natural landscape. This is the place where you can relax, entertain, and connect with the beauty of the lake, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Creating outdoor living spaces, like patios or decks, invites you to savor the beauty of the lake. It's not just about what's inside the house, it's about the entire experience. In conclusion, modern lake house designs redefine the way we experience waterfront living. They marry cutting-edge architectural techniques with the calming influence of nature, resulting in homes that are as functional as they are beautiful. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a year-round retreat, these homes offer a unique blend of comfort, style, and tranquility that is truly unparalleled. Work closely with an architect who understands your vision and the unique challenges of lakefront living. Sustainability is key. Choose energy-efficient materials and incorporate eco-friendly elements to reduce your carbon footprint. And when it's all done, revel in the joy of creating a space that's not just a house, but a reflection of your lifestyle and dreams. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern lake house designs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring architectural content. Until next time, keep dreaming of your perfect lakeside escape, and we'll see you in the next video.